Arrive in style with this Jeep 2018 Wrangler JK Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 285 horsepower, 3.6-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, AC power outlet, 1, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel and center console, full with locking storage. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.